Aye, yeah. I'm finna fly to Japan. I'm gonna stack of the yen. Tell them again and again. Homie, no, we are not friends. I go to Tokyo. They telling lies, Pinocchio. Shawty, she ride like rodeo. I get the dope and overdose.
What's going on, guys? It's been a minute since I've made a video. Trying to get back into it. A lot has changed since literally the last time I've uploaded an actual video that was recorded somewhat close to when I uploaded. That's the first new thing that I've acquired. Oh, and that's a new thing, but we'll do that in a later video. Oh yeah, yeah, that'll be a later video as well. A lot of new things have happened since the last time I've uploaded. As you can see, there's a big hole here and this thing's just kind of chilling. Got that going on. Finally cracking into the G8 build. Hopefully that'll be happening soon, which it will be. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this and then I'll explain what I'm doing. Basically, I gotta grab this plate here. You'll see why in a minute. Got it off though. I just got the valley cover sitting on, not gonna tighten it down or anything. So let's go take this bad lad over to Marco's. Got the basic hydro flask. Got this guy. Got nice weather, let's roll.
I've been on the block like J-Lo. I seen devils out there rock halos. Before they come up, sometimes gotta lay low. Think about that like Play-Doh. Man, the world ain't fair, so I don't play by the...
I want to get back into uploading, you know, somewhat routinely. Gotta get there first, but baby steps, baby steps. I know this is pretty early on in the video, but if you reach it this far, let me know down in the comments if you've been a subscriber, you've seen a couple videos, and you know, if you're excited to see more. But also, if you have any video ideas, comment them down below. I'm looking for some, but I got a couple that I think you guys are really gonna like. I don't know if I ever showed Marco's car in a video because it's not pretty new that he's had it, but I just haven't made videos. Also lives on a dirt road, which kind of sucks because it's raining, and I just washed my truck. I don't know if I've ever showed this car on the channel yet, so I'm not gonna say what it is. But it's got a unique surprise to it, and unfortunately that unique surprise broke, and that's what we're doing today. We're assessing the damage.
Joe with the chili flow, make it silly dope. Getting dubs like 10 and 0 since 2010, if you didn't know. How about I'm right in the city, it's feeling like Philly, I'm feeling like me. I'm steady cooking the thing, gotta eat. Tell them it's rare, they want some beef. Whoa, faking they compliments, trying to bring them my confidence. Rappers be talking like they bringing change, but they don't even got no common sense.
There's his car.
Gonna do a video running
Yeah. Well, we got the one video, you know, of you racing.
with a slipping clutch.
Yeah. So basically, he literally just got this thing in, and we're gonna be pulling it back out. But I can show you a couple pictures of his car that looks pretty clean with it done.
That they never seen pop up on the screen like anonymous. Whoa, yeah, I need the green like the hoe. I got the juice in the...
But sadly, that's why I had to bring this over, because we're pulling the motor. So yeah, Marco wanted me to come over to help him get his hood off, because obviously he's gonna have to pull his motor. He kind of has an idea of what happened to it, but won't know all the damage till you pull it and start ripping it apart. He did raise Jeff, who had the ST that I'll show here. He sold the ST and got a new car, which you can see in that video if you watch it. Unfortunately, shortly after that, she broke down on him. But Marco's gonna fix her up real nice. But it did look freaking sweet with it in there. So there's a little backstory with this thing. This motor, oh yeah. This motor is actually from Schramm's G8, the red one right here. He's building a motor for his car, and Marco bought the motor out of his G8 and was putting it in his 350. So we all out here swapping motors, as you saw mine with no motor in it.
Here you go first. What's going on?
What's up, dude?
Hey, Carnage.
This thing's light.
From what I see here, it looks like your piston exploded, dog. You see the valve is caught, stuck open.
Nope, so I'm open.
She's finally free. We're gonna try to leave the headers on, but it's pointless. We're ripping this whole thing apart anyway. So Mark was just taking off that passenger side header. We'll be able to pull her out and
Kind of dropping all the bolts.
at this point we're just kind of just taking the whole thing apart.
I know.
We'll put it back together.
Alright. There we go, baby. It's out. I lost swapping this car's lights.
Let's see, that valve looks okay. Okay. Okay, and this guy's doing a little skirt. That one's a little bent. It's definitely something in here that's not right. So now,
Yeah, these Marasso pans kind of suck.
I was gonna say, because you have that other one over there too, right?
Yeah, I can send that one to your remachine. Perfect.
We good. There you go, time for lunch.
I want to see how bent it is. I see this one's bent.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
bent
it
a
is.
little bit, but it's not like crazy.
I mean, yeah, but you want straight.
I know, but some of them are fucking.
That's, yeah. Oh my Atlantis, dude. It actually blew up.
Yeah. You need a new motor, my good sir.
Hey, Marco, I think it's broke.
Blocks cracked like that. Let me take a picture of that. Let me put my hands on
Dude, I think he forgot to put the piston in. Oh my, yeah, look right here. Look at the cylinder wall.
Yeah, I know.
it. The cylinder wall's gone.
Fucking just caved.
Dude, look at
in.
this.
Yeah, it's cracked.
Yeah, no,
It's-
that block's down. Well, after further review, it does seem the piston has left the chat.
And it's not coming back.
You can see block's cracked here. Cylinder wall's just gone. Piston's just somewhere in there.
You got a chunk of it somewhere.
Where's that chunk?
Oh, it's like that.
Here's the
One of the rings.
There's the chunk of the piston.
One of the rings bind up in between the crank.
Oh yeah. I'm not gonna lie, the rod looks pretty stout.
Dude,
You can see the cylinder wall is notched down there. You can see another big piece of piston right there. The wall is crazy. Yeah,
Dude, this is-
look at all these fractures.
Look at this. Yeah, we're going to run it to bring up the motor.
Look at all the metal shavings went everywhere.
I know, I noticed that in the other cylinder heads. You can see like little sparkles.
hey, at least you got 7 cylinders that are good still.
Yeah, dude, you just need one piston, you know, maybe JB Weld.
Yeah.
I've never seen something like this. This is a new for everybody. I mean, that's just wild. It's crazy. Like, if you feel this in here, like,
Dude, it grooved all the metal too, like. Dude, I can't believe this, like, just collided and melted all together and just.
I know. Like, I wonder how, like, I mean, there's a big piece there. Like, there's got to be a couple more big pieces in there.
Oh, yeah. Make a cool table now.
Yeah, huh? I guess, fuck, it didn't have anything else to mash into.
We got more metal.
Oh, yep, there you go. No, look at that metal. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm so interested to see what your cam looks like.
I'm getting a new cam. What's new? Extra new cam, you know?
$400.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
I'm getting all new shit. Thing's gonna have put one used part out of this motor. It's gonna destroy the next.
Oh
motor.
yeah, it's not worth it. There's just metal shavings everywhere. Yeah, the pan's gotta look nuts down there.
And I was saying, the only thing when you reuse, obviously, the lines in the pan. So
Yeah.
that
Oh,
can
yeah.
be cleaned real easily.
Oh yeah. All right, Marco. I think that's all she wrote with this one.
Yep. There's nothing else we can do now.
She's definitely not salvageable. Thanks for watching. Me and Marco will catch you in the next one.
Later. Wouldn't matter if I throw a bolt in there, right?
I guess you could lose one at this point.
Yeah, right.
Yo, Marco, I think your horse is bleeding. We're putting the stock D back in.
That's what my dad said. You know, it's like, where's the stock motor? You should put that back in. I'm like, it's hot. It's gonna. Oh my god. This is a mess.
Senior Matthew Nelson describes it this way.
It's a mess.
Nice. All right, unhug it, Marco. Fucking put this thing away. I hate this thing. This gives me nightmares.
What do you got in here?
Well, Marco, SRAM's motor lived a short life.
Yeah, ask for a refund.
Motor for sale.
Mint low miles.
Low hours.